In this video, I explain structuralism in philosophy. You will learn what structuralism means, and which important ideas are behind it. Structuralism is a philosophical approach that focuses on the study of systems and their relationships. It is about how parts of a system are connected and influence each other. Structuralists emphasize that meaning does not lie in individual elements but in the structure of a system. This approach became known in various disciplines, especially in the 1950s. Structuralism has its roots in linguistics, particularly in the work of Ferdinand de Saussure. Saussure found that language is not just made up of individual words, but of a complex system of signs. These signs gain their meaning through their relationship to one another. Later, structuralism was applied to many other areas, such as literature and anthropology. In structuralism, language is a central topic. For structuralists, a word does not have meaning by itself, but through its relation to other words. Language is understood as a system of signs that are connected through certain rules. This perspective helps us understand the structure of language and how it produces meaning. Structuralists have strongly influenced literary studies. They see literature as a system of signs that can be analyzed similarly to language. The focus is on the relationships between elements of a text and how they create meaning together. A literary work is thus not only seen as a story, but as a structured system of signs. In anthropology, structuralism was shaped by Claude Lévi-Strauss. He studied how different cultures understand their world through myths and social structures. Lévi-Strauss argued that human perception has universal structures that appear in all cultures. This helps to identify commonalities between different societies. In philosophy, structuralism represents an important theory that analyzes human thinking and action. Philosophers who support structuralism believe that our understanding of the world is shaped by the structures in our minds. They examine how our thinking is influenced by these structures. This also makes it easier to understand how we perceive the world. Although structuralism has influenced many fields, there is also criticism of this theory. Critics accuse structuralism of ignoring the role of the individual. They argue that the theory focuses too much on abstract structures and neglects the importance of the individual. This criticism led to new approaches in philosophy. Post-structuralism developed from structuralism and responded to its limitations. Post-structuralists question fixed structures and emphasize the diversity of meanings. They believe that meaning is never fixed and constantly changes. This approach had a major impact on philosophy and other disciplines. Structuralism still has an influence on modern philosophy. Many philosophical theories are based on structuralist ideas, especially in the fields of philosophy of language and epistemology. The focus on systems and their relationships remains an important tool for analyzing meaning. Even in current research, structuralism is a relevant way of thinking.